Hi traders, this is Aleks FX and I'm trading a beginner strategy on the New Zealand US dollar. This is a daily chart that we're currently looking at. And you can see we've been in a nice up move and we've broken this high right over here. See our price is closed above very nice key level of support and resistance, and it's using it as support at the moment. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see we broke above this big uptrend, we broke above resistance, comes back and tests it as support. And we have this little level here where price needs to clear through, obviously a key area of resistance. So if we move to the 30-minute chart, just having a look at the fractals, we've actually broken this up fractal right here by a fraction of a pip. So the market direction is currently up, and that changes down at the break of this down fractal over here. So if we move to the 5-minute chart, we're looking for a trading opportunity, and you can see we've had this up move, then a pullback. We've broken this down fractal right over here with an entry to go long at the break of this up fractal. So that's the trigger to go long. Remember, it's a pip plus spread when we're looking to buy. Stop loss below the most recent down fractal, and the take profit up at the next pivot, which is the central pivot. So it doesn't give us much space to work with. So there's the working order. You can see the entry, the stop below the most recent down fractal, and the take profit up at the central pivot right over here. So that's where we're looking to get paid. That's the central pivot. I'll just highlight that for you. So it's not much in terms of take profit. It's about 6 pips. Alright, so prices, it's triggered us long, and it's just really just pulled back, and it's kind of finding a bit of support at the moment. It's not really doing much at this stage. You see this little level in here? It was resistance, now it's holding as support. Overall, we're very range bound. Just have a look at this area right here. See how it's held as resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I'm anticipating a break out of that area. So price is starting to move up here again, and we've got this fractal that's just formed. So I'm going to reduce some risk on the trade. Just takes out a bit of risk, and now you can see we're still trading below the zero resistance. I'm really looking for a little pop up here. We've tested resistance quite a few times in short succession here, so I'm looking for a pop up. There's the 30-minute chart. Sorry, 50-minute chart. Nice bullish close above this level. We've come back retesting support, and you can see that highlighted area of resistance there. There's the 30-minute chart, and you see the candle action here. These 2 wicks showing signs of some bullish pressure coming in. You see this highlight level. It's held as resistance quite a few times in the past. It's always good to keep an eye on these higher time frames to see where you're trading in and around. So we're moving up here, and here's the break we're looking for. Now it's very important to watch for a close. So we're looking for a 5-minute candle close now above this area. Looking nice and strong now. See if we can get this close. So about 4 pips up at the moment, almost at that take profit area, and we've got this little area of resistance which I'm just eyeing out, little supply zone over here. I would expect some sellers to come in here, so this may stall price a little bit, but I'm hoping with momentum breaking out to the upside now, we'll just push that extra little pip up. There's the nice bullish close we've been looking for. I really like the look of that above this area. So now if it pulls back, we'd look for that area to hold as support. So let's see if we can get this continued buying pressure. So price is consolidating here. You can see how it's sort of sat there for the last 10 minutes or so. See this little dealing level in here. It's really just a tiny range we're stuck in. You'll see it on a smaller time frame, like a 1-minute chart, for example. But we're looking for a break and a retest of this level, and obviously we're looking to get paid. Not far to go here, as I said. We're only looking for about 6 pips total. So if we get a break and retest of this area, support, that'll be good. Alright, so we're getting some renewed buying pressure here. This is obviously good for the trade. You see this little highlight area. We've been stuck in there for the last sort of 20-25 minutes or so, and we're looking for a pop up now with hopefully a bit of renewed momentum, and we can get paid. looking good. Alright, so you see how price cannot close above this area of resistance. See that little false break? It traps the buyers on the wrong end. And now we're pulling back. So now is really where I want to see. You see where we broke out of this area of resistance. Looking for that level to hold as support. So renewed strength coming in perhaps. Alright, so we're getting some nice buying pressure here. This is what I'm looking for. And hopefully we can break above now and get a pop up. And if not, if we get this candle close right here, you see we've got a potential fractal forming. We can get the risk to pretty much break even. So hopefully we don't lose anything on this trade. So really just waiting to see what happens. Either we get paid or we'll get some risk on the trade. This is looking good now. See this area here? You see how it's sort of bouncing off that little line there. And let's see if we can get the bias pushing higher here. Fraction of a pip to go, and we'll hopefully get paid here. A bit dangerous now with coming into that key resistance area. So you see how we're holding there. Sellers not coming in, which is a good sign. But the buyers are still sort of struggling here. Let's see if we get a push higher. Still nice strong looking candle here. And I think we should hopefully get paid now. Alright, so we've just been paid on that trade. You can see I've just dragged the trade onto the chart. Nice little trade. Not much in terms of pips, about 6.3 pips. Hit the take profit level. Wasn't really worthwhile scaling out on that trade. So recapping, the market direction went up by a fraction of a pip right over there on the 30-minute chart. Broke this up fractal. And if we go to the 5-minute chart, we were looking for a trading opportunity. So we got the pullback right there, broke the down fractal, and then we looked to go long at the break of the up fractal. See, we consolidated for a while, and then we broke up, continued nice buying strength, and we hit the take profit for just over 6 pips. Hope you found that helpful, and thank you for watching.